Hey, when doing laundry, if you're tired of having to buy these dryer sheets all the time, I don't know if you ever heard of these. These are dryer balls or little wool balls that you put in, and they replace this. Someone told me about these, and I was very skeptical about it, but I went ahead and I picked some up and figured I would at least give it a try. You could use these over and over and over again. They really do work. They work, in my opinion, just as well as a dryer sheet. One of the differences, though, these don't really have like that scent that these have, but a lot of people don't want to have all that fragrance and things like that with allergies, skin irritations, things like that. I like to just put one in before I put the clothes, add the clothes in, and then I add one more in to go on top of the clothes. So if you're checking out for your dryer, these dryer balls, they work really well.